In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Zoom waiting room notification sounds or alerts. If you want Zoom to play a sound when someone joins or leaves, this setting is managed in your Zoom web settings. It's especially useful if you're hosting a meeting and want to know right away when a participant arrives in the waiting room or enters the meeting without having to constantly watch the screen. To get started, go to Zoom and sign in to the Zoom web portal. Make sure you're using the web portal for this, since that's where this notification setting is controlled. Once you're signed in, look at the navigation menu and click Settings. This will open the main area where Zoom lets you manage account and meeting preferences. Next, select the Meeting tab. In this section, you'll find many of the options that affect how your meetings behave, including entry and exit alerts. Now scroll down until you reach the In Meeting Basic section. Take your time here, because there are a lot of options listed in Zoom settings, and the one you need may not be visible right away. Find the setting called Sound Notification when someone joins or leaves. When you locate it, turn the toggle on. Enabling this option tells Zoom to play an audible alert based on the preferences you choose next. Under Play Sound for, you'll see a couple of choices. If you only want the host and co-hosts to hear the notification, choose Host and Co-hosts. This is usually the best option if you want to stay informed without distracting everyone else in the meeting. If you'd rather have all participants hear the notification sound, select Everyone instead. That option can be helpful in some group settings, but in most professional meetings, limiting the sound to the host and co-hosts tends to be the cleaner choice. If Zoom prompts you to save the change, click Save. That makes sure your new setting is applied. After that, start a Zoom meeting with the waiting room enabled. This is important because the alert is most useful when you're managing who enters the meeting and want to hear when activity happens. Once your meeting is running, Zoom will play the notification sound whenever someone enters or leaves, based on the option you selected. If you chose host and co-hosts, only those roles will hear it. If you chose everyone, all participants will hear it. And that's all it takes to turn on Zoom waiting room notification sounds, so you can stay aware of meeting activity more easily.